Cross-dressing can be an exciting and liberating experience for people of all body types. However, for those who are overweight, finding the right clothing can be a daunting task. It can be tough to find clothes that flatter your figure and make you feel confident and comfortable. In this video, we'll discuss some tips for choosing the right clothes if you're a fat crossdresser. Tips number 1. Enhance your bust size. One of the best ways to create a more feminine silhouette is to enlarge your chest. You can do this with breast forms, which are prosthetic breasts that can be worn under your clothing. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials. You can choose from silicone, foam, or even water-filled breast forms. Make sure to choose breast forms that match your body type and are proportionate to your body size. Tips number 2. Pick the appropriate fabric. Choosing the right material is crucial when it comes to cross-dressing. Some fabrics can cling to your body and accentuate your curves, while others can make you look bulky. Lightweight fabrics like silk, chiffon, and jersey are great options for creating a smooth silhouette. These materials drape well and don't add bulk to your body. On the other hand, heavy fabrics like denim and wool can make you look heavier. These materials are better suited for structured clothing like jackets and pants. Avoid fabrics that are too stiff or heavy, as they can create an unflattering shape. Tips number 3. Opt for high-rise garments. High-waisted clothing is a great option for fat crossdressers. High-waisted skirts, pants, and shorts can create a smooth and flattering silhouette. They help to hide any unwanted bulges around the waistline and hips. Additionally, high-waisted clothing can elongate your legs and make you appear taller. Tips number 4. Long column dresses. Long H-shaped dresses are another great option for fat crossdressers. These dresses are loose and flowy, creating a streamlined silhouette. They are perfect for hiding any problem areas around your waist and hips. You can choose from a variety of colors and patterns to match your personal style. Tips number 5. Experiment with color blocking. Contrasting colors can be a great way to add interest to your outfit. If you're a fat crossdresser, you can use contrasting colors to create a slimming effect. For example, wearing a black top with white pants can make your legs appear longer and slimmer. Alternatively, you can wear a dark top with light-colored pants to draw attention to your upper body. Tips number 6. Incorporate vertical stripes. Using vertically aligned patterns is another great way to create a slimming effect. Vertical stripes, for example, can make you appear taller and slimmer. They draw the eye up and down, elongating your body. You can also use other vertical patterns like pinstripes or chevrons to create a similar effect. Tips number 7. Try layering with jackets. Jackets are a great addition to any outfit. They can help to create structure and shape in your outfit. If you're a fat crossdresser, choose a jacket that fits well around your waist and hips. Avoid jackets that are too tight or too loose, as they can make you look bulky. Instead, opt for a jacket that is tailored to your body shape. Tips number 8. Choose outfits with a flared hemline. Dresses or tops with a flared peplum can be a great option for fat crossdressers. The flared peplum can create the illusion of a more hourglass figure. It helps to hide any unwanted bulges around your waistline and hips. Additionally, flared peplums can add a touch of femininity to your outfits. Tips number 9. Consider wearing elastic compression garments. Elastic shapewear can be a game changer for fat crossdressers. It can help to smooth out any problem areas and create a more streamlined silhouette. You can choose from a variety of shapewear, including bodysuits, waist cinchers, and control briefs. Make sure to choose shapewear that fits well and is comfortable to wear. Tips number 10. Utilize waist cinching corsets. Corsets are another great option for creating a more feminine figure. They can help to cinch your waist and create an hourglass shape. You can choose from a variety of corsets, including underbust and overbust styles. Make sure to choose a corset that is comfortable to wear and fits well. In conclusion, cross-dressing can be a fun and exciting experience for people of all body types. If you're a fat cross-dresser, there are plenty of tips and tricks to help you find clothes that flatter your figure and make you feel confident and comfortable. Enlarging your chest with breast forms, choosing the right material, wearing high-waisted clothing, and using vertically aligned patterns can all help to create a more flattering silhouette. Jackets, dresses, and tops with a flared peplum can add a touch of femininity to your outfit. Elastic shapewear and corsets can help to create a more streamlined silhouette. With these tips, you can find the perfect outfit and feel confident in your own skin.